Welcome to our channel Simplifying Complex History. In this video, we cover a significant moment with a clear overview of the event, cause and effect. Join us on a journey exploring the past. Peru is a country located in South America, bordered by Ecuador, Colombia, Brazil, Bolivia, Chile, and the Pacific Ocean. It is known for its rich cultural heritage, diverse geography, and vibrant cuisine. The country is home to ancient ruins, bustling cities, and breathtaking natural wonders. Peru's history spans thousands of years, and evidence of its pre-Columbian past can be seen in the numerous archaeological sites found throughout the country. The most famous of these sites is Machu Picchu, an ancient Incan city located in the Andes Mountains. Other notable sites include the Nazca Lines, mysterious geoglyphs etched into the desert floor, and the ruins of Chan Chan, the largest adobe city in the world. Peru's geography is also incredibly diverse. The country is home to the Andes, the world's longest mountain range, as well as the Amazon rainforest, the largest tropical rainforest in the world. The Andes Mountains provide a stunning backdrop for the country's cities and towns, while the Amazon River and its tributaries offer a unique ecosystem filled with exotic flora and fauna. Peru's cuisine is renowned throughout the world for its unique flavors and ingredients. The country's national dish is ceviche, a dish made from raw fish marinated in lime juice and served with onions and sweet potatoes. Other popular dishes include lomo saltado, a stir-fry made with beef, onions, tomatoes, and French fries, and casa rellena, a layered dish made from mashed potatoes and filled with seafood or chicken. In addition to its cultural heritage and natural wonders, Peru is also known for its vibrant music and dance. The country's music scene is heavily influenced by indigenous Andean instruments such as the charango and the panflute, as well as African and Spanish rhythms. Traditional dances such as the marinera and the huayno are an important part of the country's cultural heritage and are often performed during festivals and celebrations. Despite its many attractions, Peru also faces a number of challenges. The country has struggled with poverty, particularly in rural areas, and inequality remains a significant issue. Peru's economy is heavily dependent on the export of natural resources, particularly minerals and agricultural products, which can lead to environmental degradation and social conflict. In recent years, Peru has made significant strides in addressing some of these challenges. The country has implemented a number of social programs aimed at reducing poverty and improving access to education and healthcare. Peru has also made efforts to promote sustainable development and protect its natural resources, particularly in the Amazon rainforest. Overall, Peru is a fascinating and dynamic country with a rich cultural heritage and a wealth of natural wonders. Its challenges and opportunities reflect those faced by many developing countries, and its progress in addressing these challenges provides valuable lessons for other nations seeking to build a better future. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out our other videos.